Hello and welcome back to my final morning report chart analysis video on Wednesday the 13th of September with me, Richard Bowe, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at gold, and what we've seen on gold is an interesting move, I believe. We've seen this unwinding move in the last on Friday and then Monday, finding support yesterday. Now, if I zoom in here, you can sort of see this gap that was filled last week. Would you say that's a gap close? No, not really. I wouldn't, to be honest. I still think that is I think that gap is basically still now supportive and holding up above yesterday. So you've got nice support, I would say, around that around the low 1320s. Really, 1322 was yesterday's low before the support came in. Now you've seen these momentum indicators just rolling over a touch. I still think these are just unwinding within the bull trend, really. Holding on to that, holding up above 60 on the RSI, holding on to the bull trend, holding on to, still got the rising 21-day moving average, 1312. You've also got the 1310 breakout level. You've got big confluence around that sort of 1310 area, and adding in the support that we found yesterday. If the market just starts to build again, it could be that the bulls have another go. Now we've got 1340 as your initial resistance, then 1342.60 again is a bit of a gap that remains open, so that's interesting. But yeah, I'm still confident to say that corrections are a chance to buy on gold, and finding that support at 1322 yesterday adds to that conviction for me. Bit of a consolidation move, you could argue, on the hourly chart, but nothing really that went excessively negative on the momentum. Still holding up around 30 on that RSI, and yeah, on the hourly, interesting. I still think you're fairly confident of bull control on this chart, certainly with that uptrend still intact as well. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.